Hello everyone, welcome to Twi Classroom. My name is Kwejo, Midende Kwejo. This channel is dedicated to helping you learn the Twi language in a practical and fun way. Today, I'm going to take you through the Twi alphabet. So I encourage you to repeat after me so that by the end of this video, you will be able to identify and say the Twi alphabet correctly. So if you are ready, let's get started. Now, I'm going to say each sound of the letters twice. So the first one, I say it, I'll leave some time for you so that you can also practice it after me. First letter of the Twi alphabet is A. A. The next one is B. B. D. D. E. 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 F. F. G. G. H. H. I. I. K. K. M. M. N. N. O. 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 P. P. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. We. We. Yeah. Yeah. Good. I know you repeated after me. Don't worry if you did not get it. Now, I'm going to show you how these sounds of the alphabet sound when they are used or combined with other letters. In the same way, I encourage you to continue to practice along with me. Repeat it after me so that by the end of this video, you will be able to pronounce some Twi words that you come across. So, now let's continue. Now, the first letter is A. A. And the Twi word here is asa. Asa. So pronounce together asa. And asa means dance. Dance. Next one is B. B. So the Twi word here is bo. Bo. So we have B. O. Put together bo. And bo means to kick. To kick. The next one is D. D. So the Twi word here is D. A. Da. Da. And that means to sleep. So we have da. The next one is A. A. So we have efie, efie. So put together efie. And efie means home or house. We have e, e, and the key word here is dom, dom. So put together we have dom, dom. And dom means crowd or a lot of people. Dom. Then we have f, f. So we have f, a, and f, a. That is fa, fa. Fa means to take or to pick. Fa. We have g, g. And the key word here is agorɔ, agorɔ. So put together agorɔ, agorɔ. And agorɔ means play or game. We have he, he. So the key word here is Huri, Huri. So put together Huri, Huri. And Huri means to jump. Huri. We have I, I. And the key word here is di, di or Didi, Didi. So di or Didi means to eat. Di or Didi. Now the next one is k, k. So the key word here we have kind, kind or kenkan. So in the Twi alphabet, a and sounds I. So instead of saying can, we say kind. So we have kind or kenkan. And that means to read. Kind. Then we have so the key word here is lorry, lorry. So put together lorry. And lorry sounds just like as we have in English. It's actually a borrowed word from the English language. So we have lorry. Though we also say car, k, a, car. So we have lorry. Now the next one is so we have a, ma, a, ma. So we have ma. And ma means to give, give, ma. Then we have and the key word here is nante, nante. And nante means to walk, to walk. So nante. Then we have o, o. So the key word here is to, to. And to means to throw, to, to. Good. Now we have o, o. So the key word here is to, to. So we have t, o, t, o, and t, o. That is to, to. And to means to buy, to buy. Then we have p, p. So the key word here is pra. So we have p, a, put together, pra. And pra means to sweep, to sweep. So we have er, so to get this sound correctly, it's just like you saying rest, respect. So and we have this tree word as ch, re. And in the tree, k and y put together sound as ch in English, which is ch, ch, like children or chair. So ch. And the tree word here is che, re, che, re. So put together tre, tre. And tre means to teach or to show. So tre, tre. Good. Then we have s, s. So the tree word here is sika, sika. So we have s, I, k, a. Put together sika. And sika means money. So sika. Then we have t, t. So the key word here is t, t. So we have t, I. Put together t, t. Good. Then we have u, u. So we have t, u. And this means to, to. And to means to uproot or to fly. So to, to. Then we have we, we. So we have we, a, put together re, re. So we have re, and re means to chew. Re means to chew. Then the last alphabet is ye, ye. So we have ye funu, ye funu. So put together ye funu. So we have ye, e, f, u, n, u, ye funu. And ye funu means stomach. Ye funu. Good. I know you practice along with me. If you are not yet perfect with these sounds, don't worry. Repeat this video and practice it. In the next lesson, I'm going to combine the consonant and the vowels of the Twi alphabet, which will further help you to lay a solid foundation. So by the time we finish with the pronunciation aspect of this Twi language, you will be able to pronounce any Twi word that you come across, even if you do not understand. So I encourage you, like this video, subscribe to Twi Classroom, and share with family and friends who wish to learn the Twi language. Thank you.